Today, we've got something special for all the guys out there who are looking to up their game in the dating world. We're going to explore 9 powerful hacks to naturally attract women without any gimmicks or tricks. So, stay tuned and let's dive right in. Number 9. Respect boundaries. Respecting personal boundaries is crucial. Give her space when needed and show that you respect her choices. This demonstrates maturity and consideration, which are attractive qualities. Number 8. Demonstrate ambition. Having goals and ambitions can be very appealing. Share your aspirations and demonstrate that you're actively working towards them. A sense of purpose and ambition can make you stand out. Number 7. Be authentic. Authenticity is attractive. Be yourself and let your true personality shine. Pretending to be someone you're not is not sustainable in the long run, and authenticity builds trust. Number 6. Be supportive. Show that you genuinely care about her goals and dreams. Be supportive and encouraging. When a woman feels supported, she's more likely to be attracted to someone who uplifts her. Number 5. Develop a sense of humor. Laughter is a universal language. Crack a joke, share funny stories, and don't be afraid to laugh at yourself. A good sense of humor can break the ice and create a connection. Number 4. Personal grooming. Taking care of yourself is not just for your own benefit, but also for others to notice. Keep up with personal grooming, dress well, and pay attention to your hygiene. A clean and well-groomed appearance is attractive. Number 3. Positive vibes. Positivity is contagious. Keep a positive attitude, and people, including women, will naturally be drawn to you. Share your passions, dreams, and achievements with enthusiasm, and let that positive energy shine through. Number 2. Genuine listening. One of the most powerful ways to attract someone is by being a great listener. Show genuine interest in what she has to say, ask questions, and be present in the moment. This simple act can make a huge difference. Number 1. Confidence is key. The first hack is all about confidence. Women are attracted to confidence, so make sure to stand tall, maintain eye contact, and speak clearly. Confidence is magnetic, and it makes you more appealing to those around you. And there you have it, guys. 9 simple but powerful hacks to naturally attract women. Remember, the key is to be genuine, confident, and respectful. If you enjoyed these tips, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which hack resonated with you the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.